Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today saya nak tunjuk aja korang cara-cara nak buat ads di OhsemAds.com. Just login macam biasa, and di sini ialah homepage kepada OhsemAds, and on the left panel just click on the ref button and it will bring you to another homepage of Ads Manager. Here is the homepage untuk kita buat ads kita. Just click create. And this is the campaign detail untuk ads yang kita nak buat. You just fill in your desired criteria for your ads, whether it's B2C, your name, your brand name. Once done, just click the TNC and tick and create. Once done, you will see your ads appear on the top and jobs are finished. I have to click edit. You can see the detail. Now you have to create an audience. Left panel, create audience, and here dia dah sediakan a few preset untuk korang pilih, and also you can personalize your own custom persona, but for now we just select the preset that we have. And again, this is the detail, the preset of our audience. Here you can also start to customize your start date, your duration, all of your criteria for your desired ads. Once done, just click create audience, and if everything's fine, just click submit, wait for a while, and you're done. And you can see on the tree, the left panel, just choose one first, create creative. You can skip this for now. Just skip this, and here is your design of the ads. Here you just click to upload images that you've designed previously and how it will look. Just click open. And if you have any links or WhatsApp or anything that you want to direct your customer to, just put it here and click save and pay. And this is the final step. If you have any Google Business profile, website, social media, you can put your link here to direct your customer. And here is the final window of your ads, the detail and the website that your ads will appear. And you can click confirm and proceed. Easy as ABC. That's it for now. Thank you very much.